What if intelligence could be decoded by the stars? Have you ever wondered which zodiac sign is secretly the smartest of them all? Is it the detail-oriented Virgo, the innovative Aquarius, or could it be a sign you'd never expect? Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind zodiac intelligence, and the results might just surprise you. Stick around until the end, because we'll reveal the undisputed most secretly intelligent zodiac sign, and why their brilliance often goes unnoticed. Plus, we'll explore how intelligence shows up differently in each zodiac element. Welcome back to the channel where we explore the fascinating world of astrology and uncover what the stars say about who we are. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more astrological deep dives that might just change how you see the zodiac and yourself. Now, intelligence comes in many forms: logic, creativity, emotional insight, and even street smarts. While all zodiac signs possess unique strengths, some are more naturally inclined toward intellectual brilliance. But what is intelligence really, and how do the stars influence it? In today's video, we'll uncover how each zodiac element showcases intelligence, the underrated geniuses of the zodiac, the top contenders for the smartest sign, and finally, we'll crown the one zodiac sign that's secretly the most intelligent of them all. Before we dive into specific signs, let's break down how intelligence manifests in each zodiac element. Fire signs: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Fire signs are bold, passionate, and instinctively creative. Their intelligence comes from their ability to act quickly and think on their feet. They're natural problem solvers, often able to turn challenges into opportunities with their fearless mindset. Think about an Aries leading a project, a Leo inspiring a crowd, or a Sagittarius coming up with an innovative travel plan. Their brilliance lies in their action-oriented approach. Earth signs: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Earth signs showcase intelligence in their practicality and ability to ground abstract ideas. They're the planners and doers, turning dreams into reality with their meticulous, methodical approach. Virgo's analytical mind, Taurus's steady decision-making, and Capricorn's strategic vision make this group indispensable when it comes to achieving goals. Air signs: Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Air signs are the thinkers of the zodiac. Their intelligence shines through their communication, problem-solving, and ability to think abstractly. Gemini thrives on curiosity. Libra balances logic with fairness, and Aquarius pushes the boundaries of innovation. They're the signs most associated with intellectual pursuits. Water signs: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Water signs are emotionally intelligent and deeply intuitive. Their ability to read people and situations on a subconscious level is unmatched. Cancer nurtures through understanding, Scorpio strategically navigates emotions, and Pisces taps into creativity and empathy. This group excels in emotional and creative intelligence. Now, let's spotlight the zodiac's most underrated intellectuals, those whose brilliance often goes unnoticed. Taurus. You might think of Taurus as the laid-back foodie of the zodiac, but don't underestimate their sharp minds. Taurus is ruled by Venus, which gives them an incredible ability to analyze beauty, art, and value. Their intelligence often shines in areas like finance, design, and strategic decision-making. A Taurus knows how to make things work for them. They're not flashy, but they're always a step ahead. Pisces. Pisces, the dreamers of the zodiac, are often dismissed as being too emotional or idealistic. But what people don't realize is that Pisces possesses a rare form of intelligence, emotional and creative genius. From inventing unique solutions to solving problems with compassion, a Pisces can turn imagination into innovation. For example, many famous artists and musicians like Kurt Cobain and Rihanna are Pisces, and their brilliance lies in their ability to create worlds out of dreams. Next, we'll dive into the strategic thinkers of the zodiac, those whose brilliance lies in their ability to analyze situations and execute plans. Scorpio is often associated with passion and mystery, but beneath that intense exterior lies a mind built for strategy. Ruled by Pluto, Scorpios are masters of transformation and power dynamics. They see patterns where others see chaos, making them brilliant in fields like research, investigation, and negotiation. If you're ever in a bind, a Scorpio's intelligence can guide you out, if they trust you, that is. Capricorns are the CEOs of the zodiac for a reason. Their intelligence is rooted in long-term planning, discipline, and execution. Whether it's building a career, running a household, or achieving personal goals, Capricorns excel at creating and following a step-by-step roadmap. Their brilliance often comes from their ability to stay calm and focused, even under immense pressure. Let's not forget the Zodiac's creative minds, those whose brilliance lies in their ability to think outside the box and innovate. Leos are natural performers and visionaries, with a flair for problem-solving. Their intelligence shines in their ability to inspire others and rally people behind their ideas. Their creative genius often leads to innovations in art, leadership, and even business. Leos don't just think, they execute with style. Sagittarius is driven by a love for knowledge. Ruled by Jupiter, the planet of expansion, Sagittarians are lifelong learners. They excel in philosophy, travel, and connecting ideas from different cultures. Their intelligence is evident in their ability to think globally and push boundaries, making them brilliant in academia, writing, and exploration. Transition, suspenseful as the drumroll begins. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the zodiac sign that is secretly the smartest, runner-up, Virgo, ruled by Mercury, excels in analytical thinking and precision. Their intelligence is practical, making them the ultimate problem solvers. Whether it's solving complex puzzles or organizing chaotic situations, Virgo's brilliance lies in their attention to detail and ability to see what others miss. But even Virgo falls just short of the top spot. Winner Aquarius. The title of most secretly intelligent zodiac sign goes to Aquarius. Aquarians are ruled by Uranus, the planet of innovation and rebellion. They're not just thinkers, they're visionaries. Known for their ability to think abstractly and solve problems creatively, Aquarius is always ahead of the curve. Their intelligence is often misunderstood because they focus on ideas that seem too futuristic or unconventional. But when their ideas come to life, they change the game entirely. So, what does this tell us about intelligence in astrology? It's not just about IQ or logic, it's about how we use our unique strengths to navigate life and create solutions. No matter your sign, you have your own special brand of brilliance. The key is to lean into your strengths and learn from the wisdom of other signs. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments. What's your zodiac sign and how do you see your intelligence showing up in your life? Do you agree with today's rankings? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into zodiac intelligence, hit that like button and subscribe. Next time we'll uncover the most loyal zodiac signs ranked, who will always have your back. See you then.